What's up, guys? Maria Johnsen here. In the crazy, always changing world of digital marketing, SEO, like the secret sauce for business trying up their online game in the concrete jungle. But check it. There is this wild strategy called Parasite SEO that's got people talking. And not always in a good way. Some say it's on the shady side of the street, Blackhat style. So what's the deal with Parasite SEO? Basically, it's all about piggybacking on the rep and trust already earned by big shot websites to climb up the search engine ladder for specific keywords and phrases. It's like crashing the VIP party into get noticed even if your thing ain't exactly the star of the show. Now, this Parasite SEO thing is no walk in Central Park, my friend. It's pretty aggressive with moves that might make your grandma's eyebrows raise. We're talking churning out loads of content on top-notch platforms, not because you care about the users, but just to ride on that platform's street cred for SEO gains. But here's where it gets dicey. The ethical side of the story. Some folks in the marketing game swear by Parasite SEO, saying it's a fast track to results. But hold up, there is a moral dilemma in the air. See, these tactics could be crossing the line, maybe breaking the rules set by the search engine gods. Google and its homies are always updating their playbook to shut down cheaters and keep things legit for users. Now, the risks of playing with Parasite SEO? They're no joke. Engaging in this game along with other black hat tricks could have your business taking a hit harder than a taxi in midtown traffic. Search engines, especially Google, get their eyes wide open for anyone trying to play them. You might go from top dog to invisible faster than you can hail a cab. And don't forget, the SEO landscape is like the subway schedule, always changing. What's cool today might get you in hot water tomorrow. That's why, if you're in it for the long haul, you gotta roll with ethical and sustainable SEO moves. Keep it 100%, businesses and marketeers. Take the high road instead of trying to cut corners. Lay the groundwork with quality content that's got play fair. And get your audience nodding in agreement. Build those links organically and make sure the user experience is smoother than a ride on the Station Island ferry. Parasite SEO might have its fans, but in the streets of digital marketing, it is the ethical and sustainable players that go the distance. Don't mess with the algorithm gods. Stay true, deliver value, and build trust. That's the real key to success in the concrete jungle of online marketing, where the game is always on and only the legit players survive. That's all, folks. Until next time, take care. Adios, amigos.